Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking pork Tocino. Let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have garlic, soy sauce, vinegar, brown sugar, pineapple juice, salt and pepper, and we have food coloring, red food coloring, and of course we have our pork loin. So let's mix the ingredients first because we have to marinate the pork overnight so it will taste good after 6 to 8 hours before we fry it. So let's do it. Okay, in this bowl we're gonna mix the garlic. Okay, we have the 2 tables, I should say 1.5 tablespoon of soy sauce. We have 2 tablespoons of vinegar. We have we're gonna do 1/4 cup of pineapple juice, and this is 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Then we'll mix it. Gonna mix it real well because we have to marinate the pork loin here. We're gonna add a little salt, not that much because we have already soy sauce, pepper, ground pepper, and mix it again. Right. Now we're gonna marinate the pork loin. Okay. We're gonna do this overnight. All right. Put it like that. All right. Okay. Okay, and then we're gonna turn this over. Gonna turn this over after a couple of hours, and then we're gonna put it in the fridge and marinate it for 6 to 8 hours. To have a reddish color, let's put a little bit of food coloring here. Okay, just a little bit of food coloring. There you go. That's about it. So it will change its color to a little bit red. Now we cover this and we're gonna keep this in the fridge overnight. After 6 hours, we have our Tocino here and we're gonna fry it. Now, we'll put it on the pan now. It's hot now, and we're gonna add a little bit of water so it will get tender before we add the oil. Okay, so This is only the portion of what we did yesterday. All right. And we will add a little water, maybe a 1/4 cup of water. All right. And then we're gonna cover this and let it tender. Now let's check the tocino. All right, the water has dried up, so it's time to add olive oil. And we're gonna fry this both sides. All right, and it should be done in a minute. Yeah, I turn it over and I'm cooking the other side now. So another minute, this is done. Here is our finished product, pork tocino. Please share and subscribe to my channel for future videos. Thank you and have a nice day.